I am Nina Park, and this is Model Behavior. We begin today with a series of major moves in the enterprise AI space, led by Anthropic's first major release of 2026 and a massive wave of capital investment from the industry's largest players.
I'm Thatcher Collins. Joining us today is Chad Thompson, who provides a systems-level perspective on AI, automation, and security, blending technical depth and creative insight from engineering. Chad, it is good to have you back.
Glad to be here, Thatcher. Nina, the numbers we are seeing this week, both in model performance and infrastructure spending, suggest we are entering a very high-stakes phase of the AI deployment cycle.
That is certainly reflected in Anthropic's latest. On February 5th, they launched Claude Opus 4.6. The standout feature is agent teams, which allows the model to split projects across multiple agents that coordinate within Claude code. This comes as Anthropic is reportedly finalizing a $20 billion funding round at a $350 billion valuation.
Exactly, Nina. The technical capabilities are showing real-world utility beyond just code generation. Anthropic revealed that Opus 4.6 discovered over 500 previously unknown high-severity security vulnerabilities in open-source libraries like GhostScript and OpenSC. It did this out of the box, without specialized prompting, highlighting a significant leap in reasoning for security auditing.
What is interesting from a systems perspective is how OpenAI is responding. They just launched Frontier, an enterprise platform specifically designed to manage fleets of these agents across business applications. They also introduced GPT-5.3 codecs, which they claim actually helped write and debug its own training code. We are seeing models being used to build the next generation of models, which accelerates the development loop significantly.
The scale of this competition is reflected in the capital expenditures. Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft are projecting a combined CapEx of $650 to $700 billion for 2026. To put that in perspective, that is nearly double their 2025 spending and exceeds the combined CapEx of 21 other major U.S. industries. Amazon alone is looking at $200 billion.
Nina, it is a massive bet on infrastructure, particularly data centers and power. Microsoft is projecting a 600% increase in electricity demand by 2030. The adoption side shows some friction. While Google's Gemini reached 750 million monthly active users in Q4 2025, Microsoft is facing challenges with Copilot. Reports indicate only 3.3% of Microsoft 365 users are paying for those features, and active use remains lower than anticipated.
That gap between infrastructure investment and active enterprise utility is the critical metric for 2026. We're also seeing shifts in leadership. For instance, XAI co-founder Tony Wu resigned just as the company integrates with SpaceX. On the research side, though, tools like OpenScholar are showing promise, citing scientific sources with accuracy that scientists preferred over human experts 51% of the time.
It is a complex landscape of massive spending and evolving benchmarks. Chad, thank you for sharing your perspective on these systems today. I am Nina Park, and that's our look at the current state of model behavior.
And I'm Thatcher Collins. We will continue to track these infrastructure shifts and model developments as they unfold. For more, visit mb.neuralnewscast.com. Thank you for listening. Neural Newscast is AI-assisted, human-reviewed. View our AI transparency policy at neuralnewscast.com.